Hi! We are at Treasure Island, an artificial island near San Francisco, and San Francisco is right behind me. This is state of California, and I'm here on this island on a mission of the oil change for my motorcycle, but this will happen a little bit later, and this will be a pretty cool location when I will be doing an oil change for my beast. His name is Phoenix, by the way. But let me introduce you to the Treasure Island first. Treasure Island was built in 1936 and 1937 as an extension of Yerba Buena Island for the Golden Gate International Exposition. They wanted to have a second airport here next to San Francisco, but planes are very heavy and they require long runways. That's why it did not work out. That's why this island was used during World War II and after that for sailors training. Apart from that, some scenes from Indiana Jones and Mythbusters were filmed on this island. Also, this is one of the few locations around San Francisco area where you can fly the drone with a very few restrictions, and that draws people here as well. And I would say that the name is pretty cool. Treasure Island sounds like it's from a pirate movie. What I really came for to Treasure Island is I need an oil change. And I have a new motorcycle. I have no idea how to do basic stuff with this, so I came here to Moto Guild for an oil change workshop. Moto Guild is a do-it-yourself motorcycle repair shop. They have stations all around. Each station has a set of tools, all the tools you might need. They also have mechanics on site in case you're stuck or you need some help. You can take one-on-one mechanics help, or you can take workshop and classes. And this is a pretty cool place to just work on your motorcycle or come here and learn how to do stuff. Taking the filter off. Is it the right way?
Yes.
I hope you're sure. So what we did, we put some aluminum foil on top of the pipes so that my oil does not get to the pipes because it will have a burn smell. And now we are draining the oil to a box. oil is so warm.
So this starts at 33.9. So what we're going to do is we're going to rotate this collar until the zero is at 33. So you're going to feel it on the handle. So what you want to do is support the head and torque it down, and you'll click. You'll feel it and you'll hear it, an audible click.
Okay.
Okay?
Any whistle? Very good. Yes. Okay, we are done with my bike. That was an awesome experience, and I'm really grateful that we have this awesome place here in this area, and it was really convenient for me to just come here and learn from the experts. So this is Craig, and Craig, if you can just tell us a little bit of the story of this place and how it is all started.
Well, we took over, my wife and I took over in August of 2019. The concept came from Wilder Grippo and Alex Grippo. They decided that they wanted to move to Mexico, so we had heard that they were thinking about selling the company, and we own Bay Area Motorcycle Training, and the idea of the two companies working together sounded great, so we decided that we would give it a shot, and so far it's been a lot of fun. We meet a lot of great people, and it's fun. It's great to help the community learn about their bikes and teach them how to do the maintenance themselves, rather than trying to find a dealer or a shop that's reputable. It's going to. So we've been again since August of 2019, and we're having a lot of fun. And we want to thank you for coming in and.
Yeah.
Let us help you learn how to change oil on your bike. We look forward to doing your tires with you in a couple of weeks.
We'll see each other again.
Yeah.
I'll come here for a tire change next time. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Take care.
Yeah, you too. I'm leaving the motorcycle shop now. I'm done with my engine oil change, but I will be back for sure. At least I need new tires right now. And it will be a long way for me to learn how to do all the stuff for my motorcycle, and I'm starting from zero. So it will be a long but wonderful journey, I guess. Looking forward to it. It's super scary to start from the beginning. It's super scary to just get started with this, because you're just scared that you will end up with your bike all over the driveway and you will have no idea how to do stuff. That's why these guys were super helpful for me, and the shop was super helpful. So yeah, that's the story I wanted to tell you. Thank you so much for watching this. I'll see you next Sunday.